Hi guys, welcome to Mishka with channel. Today I will show you how we create wooden plates. First we create a drawing on a piece of wood. Be sure to wear eye protection and a mask. First we cut out the basic shape of the plate according to the drawing. Next, we remove some mistakes and irregularities from the product and create a smooth border shape. The next step is to coat our plate with a protective varnish, which also gives a beautiful deep color. Finally, we created these beautiful rustic wooden plates. Please support our channel and subscribe to see more videos.